by Detective Girl Juan Ramirez. And the fish should be on the lips, of course. A lip action. Imagine version of picture here. Picture here. You have to the back. Hey, guys, you do it. Oh, she's stretching up. And Grace, how about you? You want to reach your face? Okay, very loud. Two hands to the back and over the lips for 3 lovely seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and there's a habit satisfies. It's on the cheek this time. Upper left cheek. So sweet. And since you're a good sport, how about a walking shot? All kinds of flipper. Another hand on the air, open your mouth. Walking! Around the floor for a lucky guess. Thank you so much, man. You may go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. By the way, man, how's the kiss? Okay, good. By the way, guys, we would like to invite you all to a photo encounter with the CRM friends at Marine Life Habitat, where you can get a kiss, a finger shake, or walking shot as well. If you're interested, all you have to do to sign up with a very handsome photographer right here, wearing a green shirt, and he will be waiting for you right at the exit area. And you can grab this opportunity right after the show. Now, this time, would you like to see a dance number with the CR friends? Come on, guys! Make some noise! Jerry and Labor itself. We hope you all switch after your background. Together with your farm friends, Sea Lions, Pisces, and Sandals. We also hope that leading up to you, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. Always remember, whatever we do here on land, with their breaks or friends to the sea. Sea lions and many animals do not survive in a tranquil environment. So let's make